Zunoh series of split air conditioners. Congratulations on your purchase of Hitachi split air conditioner. We are sure your purchase will give you great pleasure and comfort. This short guide helps you know the air conditioner better and to use the AC remote effectively for energy saving and comfortable air conditioning. Safety tips. Use ISI certified MCB or ELCB recommended for air conditioners. Ask your electrician to check earthing connection. The voltage between earth and neutral point should be 0 or maximum 3 volts. Use proper cables and wires without joints or breakage. If there is no option but to join, then use insulated wire connectors to join the wires. How to use AC remote for better and comfortable cooling. Now let's see how to operate the AC from the remote control. Use remote control to switch on and off the AC. Select the mode, set the temperature, and carry out several other functions. But before that, let us get to know the remote better. LCD display. The LCD display on remote indicates the selected operation mode, temperature, timer setting, and functions in operation. On/off key. Use this key to switch on or switch off your air conditioner. When remote is on, segment grid lines can be seen on LCD display. Mode key. Use this key to select operating modes. Every time you press it, the mode will change from auto, cool, dry, fan, powerful. Auto mode. In auto mode, the controller will automatically set itself to an ideal comfort temperature and fan speed. Dry mode. Use this mode for dehumidifying the room during rainy season. Cool mode. Use this mode to set the desired room temperature and fan speed. Fan mode. Use this mode for quick room air circulation without cooling. In fan mode, you can use the unit simply as an air circulator. Press the fan speed button to control the fan speed. Powerful mode. Use this mode to cool the room quickly with uniform air circulation. This mode works for approximately 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, unit will operate with user set temperature and user set fan speed. iSense. With the iSense function, the air conditioner can monitor the activity level in a room and adjust the temperature automatically, thus achieving the purpose of comfortable sleep environment and energy saving. Auto off. Pressing this key will enable power saving feature. If image sensor does not detect any occupancy in the room for 10 minutes, it increases room temperature by 1 degree Celsius and reduces the fan speed for power saving. Further, for next 20 minutes, if image sensor does not detect any occupancy in the room, it stops the air conditioner, thus ensuring power saving in case of no occupancy in the room. Super cool. Use the super cool mode for extra strong airflow and cooling. Silent. This is an ideal mode for low noise operation. It is ideal for quiet cooling during night operation. On timer. You can set the on timer to turn unit on after a defined time period. You can select time slot of 30 minutes for first 10 hours and 1 hour slot from 11 to 24 hours to switch on the air conditioner. Off timer. With the off timer, you can set the unit to turn off after a defined time period. You can select time slot of 30 minutes for first 10 hours and 1 hour slot from 11 to 24 hours to switch off the air conditioner. My Clean key. Use this to clean air filter manually. It operates only when unit is in off condition. Digi-lock key. Use this feature to avoid unauthorized usage by password protection. Horizontal deflectors. Use this key for adjusting the airflow in the upward and downward directions towards the length of the room. Vertical deflectors. Use this key for adjusting the airflow in the left and right directions. This enables the parallel movements of vertical air deflectors. Reset key. Use this mode to reset the handset to factory settings. This unit is equipped with iClean feature, which is an automatic filter cleaning mechanism that automatically cleans the micro mesh stainless filter. Its innovatively designed brush moves on the stainless steel plated filter from one side to the other and sweeps the dust along its way. The dust collected by the dust catcher is then automatically moved to the dust box inside the split AC. Once the filter cleaning operation has been completed, the unit returns to its normal functioning. This process takes approximate 7 minutes to clean the air filter. Use only Hitachi recommended stabilizers to avoid electrical fluctuations and ensure power supply in range of 207 to 253 volts. For comfortable cooling, set the temperature between 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. For effective AC cooling, ensure windows and doors are shut. Draw the curtains to cut direct sunlight. Always get AC serviced by Hitachi authorized person. Cautions. For better operations, make sure nothing obstructs the air outlet and inlet vents of the AC units. Do not keep any appliances or LCD, tube light, CFL below the AC indoor unit. Avoid cleaning your AC with any chemicals or acidic spray. Connect with Hitachi. For any assistance or registering your complaint, visit www.hitachi-hli.com/service. Download Hitachi Care app from Google Play Store for convenience. Dial a care helpline number 35324848. Please prefix your local STD code in the mentioned number. Write to us at customercare@jci-hitachi.com. For more details, refer to the operation manual. At Hitachi, we always believe in providing world-class products with latest technology and superior services. This is Hitachi way of saying, I care.